Hi everyone and welcome to Iris Mastery Series. My name is Daniel. I'm the CEO and founder of Iris, and today we're going to talk about how you can automatically reduce the brightness based on screen contents. So for example, if our background is black, it makes sense for the brightness to be higher because the screen contents are more dark. And in the other case, if our background is white, it makes sense for our brightness to be a little bit more down. And the idea behind this is that our monitor luminance should always match the room lighting around us. The monitor should look like a book, shouldn't look like a light source in the room for best eye health, best eye protection. And we can use this if our background is white. So for example, it's now orange because it's late at night here, but if our background is white, it makes sense for the colors to be more dark, for the brightness to be more dark. And if our background is dark, it makes sense for our brightness to be actually, you didn't see the effect, but this is how my screen looks like. And if our background is dark, it makes sense for the brightness to be up a little. And to do this, we can basically use from artificial intelligence a checkbox called Smart Brightness. And it does exactly this. You see now that our background is now dark and the brightness changes a little bit. So the Smart Brightness change is around 10%. So on white background, it will be 10% darker. Basically, if we have paint, you can see now how the brightness will decrease little by little every second. And I'm not sure if I use the high level API, the effect will be the same. It starts to increase because the picture of the screen that Iris processes is more dark. But with the low level API, you basically have, and this is a small percent reduction, for example 10% on white background, but this is the basic idea. So if you want to automatically adjust the brightness depending on the screen contents, if the page and the background is white, or the page contents are white or black, from the artificial intelligence page, just click Smart Brightness, and again you can see how the brightness is reduced now. And if I go to black background, it's going to increase little by little. This is really cool, really useful if you want to automatically adjust the brightness depending on the screen contents. Try it. Go to the advanced settings, and from here find artificial intelligence page and just click Smart Brightness. And if you want to disable this, you can always uncheck this checkbox. Thank you very much.